Find or read reviews that people are talking about EWEADN TK950 Typewriter Keyboard, Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 3-Mode Connect. TK950 Retro Typewriter Keyboard Wireless provides 3 connection modes: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless mode, USB-C wired mode. Supports connecting 5 devices at the same time. Press and hold FN and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key combination to switch Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3, 2.4 GHz/wired. You can switch between tablet, laptop, and phone anytime. Meet you any needs of work, games, study. Retro typewriter style round keycaps. TK950 wireless typewriter keyboard uses double-shot injection retro punk round keycap with clear backlight, extremely durable. Stepped floating keycaps that fit your fingertips perfectly, precise position. Ergonomic foot support makes typing less tiring and more comfortable. Highly durable mechanical blue switch responds faster and more quickly, accompanied by crisp click. Metal panel and white backlight. TK950 light-up keyboard wireless panel is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, with smooth and delicate surface, texture, easy to clean and scratch-resistant. Unique white light design makes the pink wireless keyboard so aesthetic, with 19 preset light effects. Press FN and INS, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 5 brightness and breathing speed, press FN and arrow key. When the backlight is turned on, the aesthetic keyboard instantly looks brand new and awesome bright. 104 key anti-ghosting and 19 lighting effects. The Click Keyboard Qt Wireless adopts 104 key anti-ghosting technology, allows multiple keys to be pressed at the same time without conflict. Office is more efficient and games are smoother. Retro typewriter keyboard can adjust 19 lighting effects, including 14 basic lighting effects and 5 game lighting effects. Also, this Qt keyboard USB adopts ergonomic design and is also an excellent typing tool for office work. Aesthetics and widely compatible. TK950 Retro Keyboard Wireless is both aesthetic and practical, 3 modes, 3 Bluetooth channels, 19 lighting effects, typewriter appearance design. Support PC Mac laptops, tablets, desktop computers, suitable for Windows 7, 8, 10, XP, Vista, Linux and Mac OS systems. USB wired connection, plug and play. No drivers or software required. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.